Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc here. Now I'm placing the bolts back into my Hammond A-100 organ, but before I put all of them back in, I wanted to show you this and show you where they come from. This long bolt comes from that hole right there. Okay, so that's where this bolt will go. In the process of putting in the other one here, right there, I had two shorter ones that I've already placed in the front of the organ, and here's a driver here. This is a 9/16. Okay, so that's what size you need, is a 9/16 to remove those bolts, and to, of course, put them back in. I'll take you around to the front, show you here, that one and that one. Okay, they're shorter than the silver ones, but those are the bolts that have to be removed in order to lift the manual on a Hammond organ. All right, now in an A-100, because of this reverb tank here, it's called a reverberation unit. So because of this Gibbs reverberation unit, I had to move it to the side in order to get to that bolt. Like this, okay? So let me use two hands to do my job. I'm gonna put the camera down here, but that's just what I'm doing. All right, so okay. All right, so let me put this camera down so I can get to this job. All right, I'll be back. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.